Have you ever had like a have you ever heard a sound and you recognized it but you couldn't figure out where it was coming from, and because you didn't associate that sound with where you were, you didn't realize what was happening? Well, that's what I just realized. My wife has placed these little bird houses all around the yard. They're cute little things. Never in a million years did I think a bird would put themselves and their family inside that little house, you know, a little hole with it there. But let me show you. Pretty cool, huh?